Hello, friends. Today we will go to one of the most legendary and luxurious places, not only in Italy, but also in all of Europe, the Villa d'Este Hotel. This is not just a hotel, it is a real palace on the shores of Lake Como, where kings, stars, and connoisseurs of exquisite relaxation come. Let's see if it's worth the money. Before we begin, subscribe to the channel and like this video. This helps promote our reviews and motivates us to make even more cool releases for you. Thank you for your support. Villa d'Este is located in the town of Cernabbio on the western shore of the famous Lake Como. It is about an hour's drive from Milan. The hotel itself is surrounded by a 10-hectare park, and the windows offer incredible views of the mountains and water. The location is simply a fairy tale. The rooms are decorated in the classic Renaissance style. Antique furniture, exquisite fabrics, frescoes, stucco. Everything is imbued with history and luxury. The bathroom is marble, spacious, with a shower and a bathtub, with high-quality cosmetics and all the amenities. Cleanliness and service are at the highest level. There are several restaurants on the hotel premises, including Il Platano and Veranda. Guests are offered both traditional Italian cuisine and signature dishes from chefs with Michelin experience. Breakfasts are on the terrace overlooking the lake. Fresh pastries, fish, prosciutto, fruits, yogurts, and of course, coffee. Dinner is a special pleasure. For relaxation, there are shady gardens, walks along the lake, cozy lounge areas, a library, bars. You can take a boat and go on an excursion around the lake. This place is created to disconnect from everything and enjoy the moment. The highlight of the hotel is the swimming pool that floats over the lake. This is a real pontoon pool, as if hanging over the water surface. An ideal place for photos and simply unforgettable impressions. Italians say, "Who goes slowly goes well and far." And this is exactly about a holiday at Villa d'Este. Do not rush, enjoy. Pools. There is both an outdoor pool on the lake and an indoor heated pool in the spa area. The water is crystal clear. The service is impeccable. Sun loungers, towels, cocktails, everything is included. There is no beach in the usual sense. After all, it is a lake. But there is an equipped area by the water with ladders for swimming and umbrellas. You can swim in the lake. The water is clean. Villa d'Este is a hotel more for adults, but there are also amenities for children, babysitting services, children's menus, the possibility of installing an extra bed. However, there are no play areas or a children's club. The spa center in the hotel is a separate universe. Massages, facial and body treatments, hammam, sauna, jacuzzi. There is a modern fitness room with a view of the park, yoga classes, and personal trainers. Price. The price for 10 nights for two is from $8,000 to $12,000, depending on the season and room category. Yes, it is not cheap, but this is luxury. Hotel pros, location and views, luxurious atmosphere, history and prestige, excellent cuisine, high level of service, unique pool on the lake. Hotel cons, very high price. Not for active family holidays. Some rooms need updating, but this is part of the charm. There may be noisy events in the summer season. Reviews. The atmosphere is simply amazing. The high level of staff and service. It is especially necessary to note the silence, well-kept gardens, breakfast on the terrace, and the view of the lake. Negative reviews mainly concern the prices. Many believe that they are overpriced. If you're looking for a luxurious Dolce Vita holiday and are willing to spend some money, Villa d'Este is the perfect option. But book at least 3 to 6 months in advance, especially for summer and autumn. And be sure to take a boat trip on the lake.